Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have HUAWEI FreeClip wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your device or they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually only sound out of the left ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the other reason is if you just want to pair these with a new device and wipe all the old pairing history off so you can set them up like a new device, we can go ahead and do this really easily. All we need to do is place the earbuds in the charging case, leaving the lid open as shown here. And then we're just going to come and press and hold the function button on the side, just on the right side of the case right here, for at least 10 seconds, keeping an eye on this status indicator here. And when this indicator flashes red, this indicates that the earbuds have been restored to the factory settings. You can release the button, take the earbuds out, and pair them again like a new set of earphones.